Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to save your Figma files directly to your desktop so you always have a backup, or just want the comfort of having your work safely stored on your own computer, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to save your Figma files locally right from the Figma interface. By the end of this video, you'll know not only what to click, but also why each part matters, and you'll have that peace of mind knowing your designs are safely saved. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open up Figma. If you haven't already, you can do this by heading to Figma's website in your browser, or if you're using the desktop app, just launch it from your computer. Make sure you're logged in and that you've got the specific file open that you want to save. Take a second to double check you're working on the right project. You definitely don't want to accidentally save the wrong file. Now the next part is where a lot of people aren't quite sure what to do. In Figma, all of your designs are saved to the cloud automatically as you go, but that doesn't give you a physical file you can access on your desktop. To grab that file, look up to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see Figma's main menu, a little icon that looks like the Figma logo. Give that a click. This main menu is kind of like the nerve center of the app, so it's where you'll find a lot of important controls and options related to your file. Once that menu pops open, you're going to want to hover over or click on the File option. Think of this just like in other programs such as Microsoft Word or Photoshop. Most of your file management tools are tucked away here. Take a moment to look around and you'll see a variety of options like rename, share, and so on. But what you're looking for is save a local copy. When you click on Save a local copy, Figma is going to prepare your file so it's ready to download as a FIG file. This is the native file format for Figma. It might take a few seconds depending on how big or complex your design is, so don't worry if you see a little loading spinner. Once it's ready, your browser or the desktop app will trigger a download prompt, and you can choose exactly where on your computer to save it, maybe your desktop, a backup folder, or wherever makes the most sense for you. Let me give you a little real-world scenario. Imagine you're about to travel and you won't have reliable internet, or maybe you're handing off your design to someone else who needs to open it in their own Figma account. This method makes that super easy. And remember, saving a local copy doesn't replace the cloud version, it just creates a snapshot you can hold on to, like taking a photo of your work. That's basically it. It's a super simple process, but really powerful if you want that extra layer of security or flexibility with your work. So to recap, open your file in Figma, head to the main menu up top, go into File, select Save a local copy, and then choose where to save it on your computer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Figma or saving your work, drop them in the comments. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.